Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to virtual learning class. I hope you are fine in health, students. In the last lecture, we have done item 18. Today we are going to do item 19 and we will do the book page 44 and 45 from your book Active English Book 1, and this is your lecture 23, your video number 23. In this lesson, students, you will learn about the plurals and vocabulary revision. Item 19, plurals and vocabulary revision. This is page 44 in your book. Page 44 in your book. Plurals. Plurals mean more than one. You will see the pictures carefully, then give the answers correctly. Picture number 1. In picture number 1, you can see the sheep. How many sheeps? One sheep. One. O-N-E, one. Sheep. S-H-I-P. Sheep. S-H. Give the sound sh. Sh. S-H-I-P. Sheep. One sheep. You will count how many and you will see the picture. What is this? Now, picture number 2. In number 2, you can see 2 shapes. 2 shapes. 1 and 2. Spelling of 2. T-W-O, 2. T-W-O, 2. Shapes. S-H-I-P-S, shapes. 2 shapes. Number 3. Number 3, what you can see in picture 3? Yes, there are clocks. There are clocks in picture 3. And how many clocks? 3. 3 clocks. 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3 clocks. C-L-O-C-K-S, clocks. 3 clocks. Number 4, what you can see? Yes, you can see ducks. How many ducks? 4. F-O-U-R, 4 ducks. Ducks. D-U-C-K-S, ducks. 4 ducks. Number 5. In picture number 5, we can see books. How many books? 5. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Books. B-O-O-K-S, books. 5 books. Number 6. In picture 6, we can see cups. Cups. C-U-P-S. Cups. How many cups? 6. S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. The last sound is 6. 6 cups. Number 7. In picture 7, we can see pots. Pots. P-O-T-S. Pots. How many pots? 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 7 pots. Number 8, we can see plates. How many plates? 8 plates. 8. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Plates. P-L-A-T-E-S. Plates. 8 plates. In the next picture, we can see ticks. All of you knows about the tick and cross. So here you can see tick. Ticks. How many ticks? 9 ticks. N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9 ticks. T-I-C-K-S. Ticks. 9 ticks. In next, we can see sweets. We can see sweets. How many sweets? 10 sweets. 10. T-E-N. 10 sweets. S-W-E-E-T-S. Sweets. 10 sweets. In the next, we can see shops. How many shops? 2. 2 shops. T-W-O. 2 shops. Shop. S-H-O-P-S. Shops. 2 shops. Number 12, we can see baskets. 3 baskets. T-H-R-E-E. 3 baskets. B-A-S-K-E-T-S. Baskets. 3 baskets. Number 13, we can see shirts. How many shirts? 4. F-O-U-R. 4 shirts. S-H-I-R-T-S. Shirts. 4 shirts. 14. In this picture, we can see tabs. We can see tabs. How many tabs? 5. F-I-V-E. 5 tabs. T-A-B-S. Tabs. 5 tabs. The last one, number 15, we can see cats. How many cats? We can see 6 cats. S-I-X. 6 cats. C-A-T-S. Cats. 6 cats. This page is completed. You have to learn the counting in words here on this page 1 to 10 with spelling, and also learn the spelling of these words which you can see in this page, just like shapes, clock, books, cups, baskets. Learn the spelling also. Now we are going to do the next page. This is the page 45 on your books. Picture number 1, students, you can see page. 1 page. This is singular. You can see only one page. In the picture number 2, plural. This is the pages, more than one. One page, and picture number 2, two pages. TWO2 PAGES, pages. Two pages. Page is one and pages is plural, more than one, singular and plural. Okay. In the picture number 3, we can see boxes. Boxes. How many boxes? 3. If there will be one, so we'll say one box. BOX, box. But if two and more than two, then BOXES, boxes. Boxes. 3 boxes. Picture number 4. In picture number 4, we can see buses. Buses. How many buses? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can see 4 buses. FOUR, 4 buses. BUSES, buses. If we will see, and if there will be only one, so we will say a bus, one bus, a bus, BUS, bus. But if there are 2 and 3 and more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we will say buses. Buses. We will add ES. It will be plural. BUS, we will add ES. Buses. Number 5. In number 5, we can see fishes. Fishes. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can see 5 fishes. FIVE, 5, fish. FISH, fish, and we will add ES, fishes. 5 fishes. Number 6. In number 6, we can see, yes, we can see glasses. Glasses. Just like a glass. If only one glass, a glass. More than one, glasses. Glass, the spelling of glass, GLASS, glass. But if they are more than one, then we will add ES. Then it will be glasses. Glasses. 6 glasses, SIX, 6, GLASSES, glasses. 6 glasses. Number 7, we can see oranges. Oranges. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 oranges. SEVEN, 7. ORANGE, orange. S, we will add S, then it will be plural. 7 oranges. Number 8. In number 8, we can see matches. Matches. 8 matches. EIGHT, 8 matches. MATCHES, 8 matches. 8 matches. Now we will read aloud words. Cats. Cats. If there will be only one cat, then cat. CAT, cat. If more than one, then we will add only S. Then it will be cats. Cats. C-A-T-S, cats. Cups, cups. C-U-P-S, cups. C-U-P-S, cups. C-U-P-S, cups. Next is, we can see ducks, ducks. If only one, then we will say duck, D-U-C-K, duck. But here are two, so we will read ducks. We will add S, ducks, ducks. In cats, cups, ducks, we add only S to make the plural. Just like only one cat, cat. If they are more than one, then we will add only S, then it will be cats, cubs, ducks. Okay, now we will do the boxes, boxes. If only one box, we will say box, B-O-X, box. If more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it will be boxes, boxes, Z, B-O-X-E-S, E-S, give the sound of Z, is, boxes, boxes. In the next picture, we can see pages, pages, P-A-G-E, one page. If more than one, then pages, pages, P-A-G-E-S, pages. Glasses, glasses, one glass, a glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass. We will add E-S, then it will be glasses, glasses. Okay. Please learn these words with the spellings for the dictation words. Now we will do the next page. Yes, next page is from your workbook. This is from your workbook page, page 26. Page 26, you can see counting in words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You will see the pictures. So count the pictures and then write. Just like picture number 1 is already done for you. One duck. One duck. In picture number 2, note 1, here are 2. So we write 2. 2 ducks. 2 ducks. Okay. Okay, we will complete this page. The next page. Yes, 1 and 2 is already done for you. Now we will start from the number 3. In picture number 3, we can see how many shapes? 1, 2, and 3. We can see 3 shapes. So right here, 3. T-H-R-E, 3 shapes. 3 shapes. In number 4, how many plates? 4. We write 4 plates. Number 5, animals, different animals. We can see 2 dogs, 2 cats, and 1 cow. So how many total? 2 plus 2, 4, and 1, 5. 5 animals. 5 animals. In number 6, we can see baskets. How many baskets? 6 baskets. Number 7, we can see pots. How many pots? 7 pots. 7 pots. Number 8, In picture number 8, we can see birds. How many birds? 8 birds. 8 birds. In number 9, we can see keys. Keys. How many keys? 9 keys. 9 keys. Number 10, we can see books. How many books? Yes, there are 10 books. 10 books. Learn the spelling of these just like books, birds, baskets, and also the counting in words. Then you can write easily. Okay. Yes, students, over this item 19 is completed. So you have to revise this lesson. I will see you in your next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.